Hello everyone and Happy New Year. This is Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 and today is 1st January 2022. I'm with my lovely Cessna Citation CJ4 and today we're gonna depart from Madeira to Marrakesh. I never was at Madeira and never I was flew to or from Marrakesh. So as it's New Year, let's try something new. So let's start. We already connected to Vatsim and we can see this is the real Vatsim traffic. If you spot any aircraft, it should be from the Vatsim. Okay, so we are at gate Alpha 13 and let's turn our battery on, navigation light on. Check our navigraph and let's load our flight plan. We can look at our departure chart. This is to Zulu departure. Okay, initial 6,000. Flight level 060. Transition altitude is 5,000 feet. So avionic to dispatch set. So we need the position and GPS. Enter it. Flight plan should be already loaded here. Perfect. So cruising altitude is 410. Total weight, we have 4 passengers and I have the total weight is 6 let me check actually. Is 6271. 6271. Okay. So I already obtained the artist and we have right now 360 at 3 knots, 12 degree and 1016 the QNH. Okay, so departure already here. Good. So let me check all the points. Okay, so we have double points, so we just remove it. Okay, now looks everything perfect, so let's go to our radius and let's tune
This is Control Skyway 118 Foxtrot. We're currently experiencing a problem with our left engine. As a result, we'd like to divert to Madeira, please, requesting directions and vectors in, please.
oh but they
Foxtrot Roger, D-shed 3000 feet, QNH 1024, expect vectors, RNP Bravo approach runway 23 at Madeira.
23.
Descend 3000 QNH received, and then we'll expect vectors for the RNP 23, Skyway 118 Fox.
Aeroporto 168 Victor, approaching flight level 100.
Aeroporto 168 Victor, continue D-shed flight level 70.
Continuation flight level 70, Aeroporto 168 Victor.
Lisbon Control, Hotel Foxtrot 353, Cessna CJ4 at Madeira Airport, stand 1 Alpha 13, requesting IFR to Marrakesh.
Hotel Foxtrot 353, standby Foxtrot, square number 2.
Okay.
All for addition for Portugal 168 Victor.
Airporto 168 Victor, it can be now, continue shed now, 4000 feet, QNH 1026, expect further shortly.
4000 feet, QNH 1026, Portugal 168 Victor.
Request descend, Portugal 04 Hotel Foxtrot.
Foxtrot, clear RNP Bravo approach runway 23, report visual.
Clear for RNP Bravo runway 23 and we have runway in sight of Portugal 04 Hotel Foxtrot.
Portugal 04 Hotel Foxtrot, Roger, wind 210 degrees 8 knots, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 23 Portugal 04 Hotel Foxtrot.
Portugal 168 Victor, request lower and vector for base.
Portugal 168 Victor, Roger, 3000 feet, And turn now right heading 110.
What is the...
3000 feet, flight 110, Portugal 168 Victor.
Fox 17 Yankee Bravo, request departure.
Fox 17 Yankee Bravo, standby.
Standby, Fox 17 Yankee Bravo.
So this aircraft who are approaching, we can see. Here we are. Oh, there is.
And Lisboa, it's Tom J8 Delta Juliet. I've just received a request to contact you, but I did check in.
No, it's my mistake. I'm still. Confirm you found a flight plan? I have not received one.
Yeah, we should have done so. Let me just have a look at our refile at Tom J8 Delta Juliet.
KLM 1718 requesting change in frequency.
Capital 168 Victor, continue time heading 170, descend 2,800 feet, clear wireless approach runway 21.
Right, 170, descend 2,800 feet, clear wireless approach runway 21, Aeroporto 168 Victor.
Yeah, the wind already changed, so 21...
Another station calling, go ahead.
KLM 1718 requesting change in frequency.
KLM 1718, monitor your call,
20 degrees. Yeah, 20 degrees already in
Thanks for help, New York. Bye.
1024. So we can expect another departure. It will be 023 and CJ X-ray Echo Golf Echo 2 Yankee. So we're going to preference. We change the wind direction.
Fox 17 Yankee Bravo, you still do not appear to be with the correct squawk. Confirm squawk 4707.
4707.
Okay.
And Tom J8 Delta Juliet, apologies for that. Flight plan now first.
Tom J8 Delta Juliet, thank you. Squawk 2271.
2271, Tom J8 Delta Juliet.
Scale 168 Victor established.
So we need.
Capital 168 Victor, wind calm, runway 21, head land.
Clear plan runway 21, Scale 168 Victor.
So we connected the GPU because otherwise it will be running out. So we're waiting for the clearance. We are number 2, and we can see there is one more aircraft approaching or flying over. I don't know. Looks like it's approaching.
Vatsim 48 Sierra Whiskey, I apologize for the long delay. From to copy.
Hi, sir.
Vatsim 48 Sierra Whiskey, runway 23, wind 210 degrees 8 knots, QNH 1024, clear to Porto, Lagoon 1 Whiskey departure, direct Nazas, that is found, climb flight level 60, squawk 2233.
Runway 23 in use, QNH 1024, clear to Porto, Lagoon 1 Whiskey departure, then Nazas, initial flight level 60 and squawk 2233, runway 48 Sierra Whiskey, and we are ready for push and start.
Vatsim 48 Sierra Whiskey, feedback correct, push and start approved, facing runway 23.
Start with facing runway 23, runway 48 Sierra Whiskey.
Hotel Foxtrot 353, Lisboa.
Lisboa, Hotel Foxtrot 353, go ahead.
Hotel Foxtrot 353, runway 23, wind 210 degrees 8 knots, QNH 1024, break clear to destination, Schengen to Yankee departure, climb flight level 60, squawk 4746.
Roger, clear IFR to Marrakesh, the wind 210 at 8 knots, QNH 1024, departure runway 23, departure X-ray Echo Golf Echo 2 Yankee, initial climb flight level 060 and squawk 4746, Hotel Foxtrot 353.
Hotel Foxtrot 353, feedback correct. Ryder 2625, continue climb flight level 390.
Lisboa, Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey.
Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey, Lisboa, go ahead.
Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey, can we have a wind check at Lisboa?
Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey, wind now 260 degrees, 4 knots.
Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey, can we have coordination for arrival runway 03?
Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey, standby.
Runway 23 vacated, departure call 04 Hotel Foxtrot.
Hotel 04 Hotel Foxtrot, welcome to Madeira, stand Alpha 3.
Stand Alpha 3, obrigado, Portugal 04 Hotel Foxtrot.
Portugal 9134, continue descent 4,000 feet, QNH 1026, no speed restriction.
So we missed the...
4,000 feet, QNH 026, no speed restriction.
we missed the landing, it's already landed.
9134, direct to cut.
Direct up, get it, Calera 134.
Calera 2625, Lisboa. Calera 2625, Lisboa. Comjet 8 Delta Juliet identified. Proceed direct to Bexal.
Direct to Bexal, Comjet 8 Delta Juliet.
Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey, Lisboa.
Go ahead, Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey.
Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey, expect ILS approach runway 03, proceed direct PESX.
Expect ILS approach runway 03, direct PESX, Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey, obrigado.
Speedbird 2693, requesting climb to cruise, please.
Speedbird 2693, continue climb, flight level 360.
Thanks very much, continue climb to 360 or Speedbird 2693, thanks.
Capital 9134, clear ILS approach runway 21.
Clear ILS 21, Capital 9134.
Capital 168, Victor, turn left on Golf, contact ground 121.750, bye-bye. Fox 17 Yankee Bravo, wind 260 degrees, 4 knots, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Fox 17 Yankee Bravo.
Hotel Fox 353 ready for push and start.
Make the left towards Madeira now, please.
Skyways 198 Foxtrot, stand by, you are currently number 2, there is one traffic ahead of you.
Received, Skyways.
Hotel Fox 353 request startup.
3, first of all, 487.
Hotel Foxtrot 03, behind Prasavia 737 passing from right to left, push and start approved facing runway 23.
Roger, behind the traffic, push and start approved, Hotel Fox 353.
Other station calling, go ahead.
Okay guys, so push and start approved, just behind the traffic.
Clear wings 56 Juliet, well leaving my airspace, monitor Unicom 1 to 2 days, small 8, bye-bye.
So finally, flight deck to ground.
Go ahead,
flight deck.
We will be ready shortly.
Roger.
Wind check, Lisboa.
Wind 260 degrees, 4 knots. After 951, lead flight identified.
We are ready for pushback and engine start.
Roger. Release the parking brakes, please.
Call 9134.
Capital 934, wind 260 degrees, 4 knots, runway 21.
Parking brake released.
Pushing back.
Are we clear to start engine 2?
You are clear behind, and you can start your engines at your discretion.
Okay.
You are clear to start engine 2.
Luxair 785, request descent.
Luxair 785, descent flight level 250.
Descent flight level 250, Luxair 785.
Capital 1951, proceed direct to cut.
Direct to cut, Capital 1951, obrigado. And Spiba 263 back.
Push 4.
Unfortunately, we are...
Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey, in that case can we take runway 21?
Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey A firm, or you could expect to hold over PSX, whichever you prefer.
I will take runway 21, Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey.
Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey, Roger. Turn right heading 040.
Whoa.
Correction, left heading 040.
What the runway?
Left heading 040, Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey.
Roger, runway 48 Sierra Whiskey, airborne runway 23.
South 48 Sierra Whiskey, leave identified, continue climb at level 240.
Continue climb at level 240, runway 48 Sierra.
And Hotel Foxtrot 353, backtrack line up, runway 23.
Yep, sorry, Hotel Foxtrot 53, Roger.
Remain sight, speedbird 8640.
Speedbird 8640, cleared visual approach, runway 23, one traffic departing ahead.
Because...
Cleared visual, copy. The traffic speed 8640.
Africa 186 Golf with 260 degrees, 4 knots, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
1 clear for takeoff, Africa 186 Golf.
Because, yeah, there is the traffic, that's what the hell with the runway?
1601, turn right heading 080.
Turn right heading 080, type 01.
Ryanair 2625, be advised, traffic at your 12 o'clock, straight ahead, closing 20 miles. He's not in contact on my frequency.
Again, the problem with the lights.
Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey, continue descent, flight level 70, information Mike.
Continue descent flight level 70, information Mike, Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey.
Portugal 186 Golf, crossing 1000 feet.
Portugal 186 Golf identified, continue climb at level 240.
Continue climb 240, Portugal 186 Golf.
Laps. Hotel Foxtrot 353, backtrack 23, holding short.
Hotel Foxtrot 353, wind 010 degrees, 5 knots, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
Roger, clear for takeoff for Hotel Foxtrot 353.
Skyways 198 Foxtrot, cleared RMP Bravo approach, runway 23, report visual.
Cleared on the RMP approach 23 and we'll report visual Skyways 198 box.
Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey 180, direct Papa Tango 405 to rejoin Unpot for Bravo arrival, runway 21.
Direct Papa Tango 405 to rejoin Unpot for Bravo arrival, runway 21, Ryanair 6 Mike Whiskey.
Gear up.
And Lisbon Skyways 198 box, we've got visual for runway 23.
Skyways 198 Foxtrot 1 traffic ahead, cleared visual approach, runway 23, report final.
Cleared visual number 2 and we'll report Skyways 198 box.
Freebird 8640 with 010 degrees, 5 knots, runway 23, 10 laps.
Roger, clear to land runway 23, Speedbird 8640.
Hotel Foxtrot 353 identified, continue climb at level 240.
240, Hotel Foxtrot 353.
Acropolis 986, step of descent.
Acropolis 986, descend 3000 feet, QNH 1024, information Mike.
Acropolis 986, descend 3000 feet and QNH 1024, information Mike.
Lisbon Control, Oscar, Whiskey Bravo, holding, Uniform 5.
Oscar, Whiskey Bravo, Lisboa, hello, with 260 degrees, 4 knots, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 21, Oscar, Whiskey Bravo.
Sky 601, heading 100.
Heading 100, type 601.
Lufthansa 76, question 785, continue to shut flight level 60.
Continue down to level 60, Luxor 7885.
And Skyways 198 Foxtrot, reduce Veru approach speed, expect late landing clearance.
Reduce the minimum and we'll expect late, Skyways 118 box.
Foxtrot Flight Sierra Whiskey, continue climb flight level 340.
Level 340, Foxtrot Flight Sierra.
Hotel Foxtrot 353, proceed direct to Lepro.
Roger, direct Lepro, Hotel Foxtrot 353.
May I have your attention, please? The captain has turned on the seatbelt sign. Please fasten your seatbelt and shoulder harness at this time. Thank you.
Altitude